Helping at home. A good habit for kids. Cleaning toys. Put toys back in the toy box after play. Keeps the room neat and safe. Setting the table. Place spoons, plates, and napkins for meals. Helps family get ready to eat together. Watering plants. Gently water flowers or garden plants. Keeps plants healthy and green. Feeding pets. Pour pet food with help from an adult. Makes sure pets are happy and healthy. Making the bed. Straighten sheets and pillows. Keeps the bedroom clean and cozy. Folding laundry. Fold small clothes like socks or towels. Helps parents and teaches responsibility. Dusting low shelves. Use a soft cloth to clean small areas. Keeps the house clean and shiny. Helping in the kitchen. Mix ingredients or pass things with supervision. Makes family time fun and teaches cooking basics. Carrying small groceries. Help carry light bags after shopping. Shows teamwork and care. Throwing trash. Put wrappers or waste in the dustbin. Keeps the home clean and tidy.